Hi guys! So you are watching Angel and yeah, that's me. So today we are going to talk about the workshop 2. If you are getting confused what workshop and what we are talking, you haven't watched my first video yet. So go and check it out. So let's begin with the workshop 2. So it was interesting as compared to the first workshop. We were told to bring a canvas which was 4 into 4. This is the size like this, I guess, and the textures. Everything we feel or touch has a different texture. Like I am touching this crunchy, I have a different texture. My skin, this band here, everything has a different textures. So the motive was to make us feel the different types of textures in one mini canvas. So yeah, it was okay. Yeah, but it turned out good. So I'm going to show you. You can see in the here the screen will be presented and the step by step what I was doing. I didn't film everything, but yeah, some things. So you can watch here now. So I made this. You can see here too. Everything is there. You can see this bow which is made from the tissue paper. The whites we use, I colored them, then made the polka dots and things like that. Then these hairs are made from the dal, the chana dals, and these leaves are made from the rice, and the face coverage is from the what we call it, the chain, the necklace chain we get. It is from that, and the earrings are from the golden sequins. So all over I think it's good. What's your reviews and views about this? Comment down below and keep up with me for more information and fun, of course. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos.